What's the reason you don't get as many Victory Royales as you should? Some of the time it will just be bad luck, and let's be honest, sometimes you'll just be straight outplayed by some John Wick skin player. But far too often it's lag that lets you down. There's nothing worse than being set up for an endgame push, only to get hit by insane lag spikes mid-gun battle. So, what can you do about it? Well, one easy step is using your game settings to select the region you live in for the best connection. Easy, right? But did you know most regions have more than one server? Here are all the server locations and the regions they're in. The problem is, if you choose a region like US East, you could be put on either of the two servers, Ohio or Virginia, and they are 500 miles apart. This makes your ping very random from game to game, and you have no control over which server you're placed on. This is the DumaOS Geo Filter, and this is the only solution in the world that gives you control. With the Geo Filter, you can filter out all the servers you don't want to play on to guarantee your favourite server. Here I am in the UK playing on a European server region, but I'm using my Geo Filter to block servers in Germany and Ireland. When I search for a game in Fortnite, the Geo Filter blocks the German server, as you can see with this triangle here. With that game blocked, I can search again, and this time I get a UK server. Exactly what I wanted. The Geo Filter allows it through, and I can even ping it to see it's an amazing 16 milliseconds. This connection is as good as it gets. And there is even more. If you play on a laggy server, like this Irish server here, which has a ton of spikes, I can click deny and this will permanently block the server, meaning I will never have to play on it again. But server location is not the only reason you lag. The other big problem is people in your home all using your bandwidth. Maybe they're watching Netflix or downloading torrents. Whatever it is they're doing, it affects your chances of Victory Royale. The DumaOS QoS has 3 features that work together to completely solve this problem. First is anti-buffer bloat. Just drag these sliders and you'll guarantee that no one in your home can use all your bandwidth, freeing up more than enough room for your Fortnite connection. Next is bandwidth allocation. Give as much of your bandwidth as you want to your device playing Fortnite, and you know you'll never need to worry about lag again. Finally, traffic prioritization. As soon as your Fortnite game starts, the game will be automatically prioritized above everything else using your internet, getting you the lowest ping possible. With DumaOS all set up, let's take a look at some Fortnite gameplay captured using the power of DumaOS on a 16 millisecond connection.
Headshot.
All these features, including the Geo Filter, work across every Fortnite platform, including Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even mobile. Head over to DumaOS.com to learn more, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to see a lot more videos on the power of DumaOS.